Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the Greek city-states declined. We'll explore the key factors that led to their eventual subjugation. First, the persistent internal conflicts among the Greek city-states, like the devastating Peloponnesian War, severely weakened their collective strength. This prolonged warfare, lasting nearly 30 years, drained vital resources and manpower, leaving them vulnerable to rising powers. Following the period of internal strife, a new power emerged from the north, Macedon. Philip II skillfully unified many Greek states, laying the groundwork for his son, Alexander the Great. Alexander then expanded this influence dramatically, forging an immense empire. However, upon his death, this vast dominion fractured into several Hellenistic kingdoms, each vying for power and often engaging in conflict. As the Hellenistic kingdoms contended amongst themselves, a formidable new power was steadily rising in the West, the Roman Republic. Rome's influence expanded across the Mediterranean, and the often divided Greek states, sometimes seeking Roman alliances against rivals, inadvertently opened the door to Roman intervention. Rome saw the fragmented Greek world as a prime strategic opportunity for further expansion and control. The final chapter saw Rome directly confronting the Hellenistic powers. Through a series of Macedonian wars, Rome systematically dismantled their strength. The decisive Achaean War, culminating in the Battle of Corinth, marked the end of significant Greek independence. By 146 BCE, the Greek city-states and kingdoms were fully absorbed, becoming a Roman province, thus concluding centuries of self-governance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.